All right, here we are for the very much anticipated trend line on a Casio calculator video. So to get a trend line or a regression line going, we need to go to our stat mode. So we press the mode button and then we press 3 for stat. If the stat is on a different number on your screen, press whichever number that is. But for me, it's 3. And then I want to go to this one here that says a plus bx, because that's the general form of a linear trend line, a plus bx. So I'm pressing 2. And then I've got the opportunity to put in all of my x values and all of my y values. So I'll do that now. I press 150 because that's my first x value, and then I press equals to go to the next line, and then I'll just continue and type them all in. So 150, 157 equals 159 equals 160 equals 161 equals, and then I've got 161 again. And then my final x value is 165. So press equals to get out of that. And then I've put all of my x values in. I then need to press right to get to the next column, and then I'll go to the top of that column. And then I'll start putting in my y values because this is the y column. So now I've got 158, then 160, press equals, 162, press equals, 157 equals, 160 equals 162, and then my final y value is 166. Okay, now once you've entered in your stat values here, your data, you then press the AC button to go back to the main screen, and now we want to actually do something with that data. We want to make calculations based on that data. So we press shift and then the 1 button, because the stat calculations are all stored in this little yellow button above the 1. So we press shift 1 to access them. And then the information we're looking for here, the A and the B value of the trend line, they come from this part here under 5. And it says REG, which is short for regression, because finding trend lines is called regression analysis. So we'll press 5 to get to the regression menu. And then in this screen here, we can see we could find the R value, the correlation coefficient, but today we're here to find the A value and the B value. So if I press 1, that gives me the A value. So 93.44505, that's my A value for my trend line. And then I need to press shift 1, go to regression again, press 2, and now if I press equals again, I've got my B value for my trend line now. So 0.42308, I'm going to round to 5 decimal places. So I've got my A value and I've got my B value. I would then just need to write these in the form of y equals A plus bx. If you need a hand with writing them in that actual trendline form or using them to make predictions or anything like that, that's definitely a separate conversation. So please just let me know by email or in class. I'll be happy to help you out.